$2,000. So you have to swallow the risk and trade it and see how it goes. But if you have a tiny account under $5,000 or even under 6,000, I probably would pass on natural gas. There is no micro. There is no micro on natural gas yet. I hope that there will be soon because I think it will get popular like oil is popular. The oil micro is getting popular. Now, so I'm willing to lose money today. One contract. It's not a money trade yet, so we're still subject to testing. So I'll trade it in my test account. The entry is 1029.59. And you can certainly go for 8, 9, or 10 ticks. Either or
At 10:30 a.m.
is
Eastern Time, we
fine.
have the
I
US
need to
EIA
change
natural
my
gas
account.
change BCF forecast 76 billion, previous 52 billion.
Let me change my account. So disconnect, connect our little account. I don't even know what's in that account. Okay. So I'll test this setup, check the setup one more time. First thing I'm going to do is check my sync. Time.is is our sync. We're on 10 tests. The volume is way, way higher on 10. Oil's on 11. Gas is on 10. Gas rolls over about a week after oil. A week after oil, at least. Obviously, always check the volume. Learn how to check the volume so if we're not in the room and you want to trade, you always know how to check the volume. And the liquidity, if you want to see it. Bracket is 5. It's a 10-second cancel. I'm just looking for 8 ticks. No guarantee it's going to win today. There's been like 12 winners in a row. There's been an incredible amount of winners in a row. Entry is 1029.59. And then I like to label the trade. Put my charts on live. So they're expecting a pretty big build of natural gas, 76 billion. 76 billion. Is Financial Juice expecting the same? Yes. They're also expecting 76 billion. That's a lot. It's a lot of gas. Let's look at September 2nd's report. There have been reports that look good and they have not been good. And I wrote those as losers. I didn't calculate those as winners. I made sure that when I calculated the numbers, if members lost money, the trade was calculated as a loser. Even if the report said winner. I didn't go by the report. I went by the journal, my journal of trades in the room. So the numbers are very accurate in my opinion. And then let's look at July. July 29th. July 29th, natural gas was a winner. Let's look at the 22nd because the 22nd looked like a good trade and it was actually a loser. Let me find, if I can find that one real quick. I did not have that one set up to show. July 22nd. Give me a second. Naturally, that one I can't find. If I can't find it, we're too close to the report to spend much time looking for it.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we
722.
have the
But
US
that
EIA
trade
natural gas change
was
BCF
filled
forecast
at
76
the
billion, previous
candle
52
top
billion.
or bottom, which sometimes happens with natural gas. It fills in the wrong place. Now, normally when the volume is high, we don't see that. So it's unfortunate. That's one video I can't find. 722. I'll have to track that down. That's an important one. $7.29. Quick look the week after. And that was a 3-target winner. Okay. So 5-tick bracket. We'll see what happens. I always like to check my time before the trade a couple of times. And the website loves my computer. It puts me in sync all the time. It loves my computer. I know that some people struggle with sync. It's one of those issues that we're always dealing with. All right, we got about 2.5 minutes.
Gazprom keeps their 2021 plans for exports to Europe at 183 BCM.
All right, so we'll be looking for, they're looking for 76 billion. It's a lot of gas. My gut feeling is there will be less than that, and gas will go up. But there's a very large trend down today. So maybe there will be a build. Maybe there'll be more gas around and price will push down. Even though it's down a lot, it may not have a very good move today on the downside because it's already down a lot. So that's pretty strong volatility on the day. You know, that's within 15 hours.
Order
1 minute
submitted.
remaining.
So I
Order
did
filled.
something wrong. Something happened. where
Orders.
my
Order
trade,
canceled.
I must have put the wrong time in, so hang on. I'll see if I can fix this. Nobody saw my mistake. 10:28:59 I put in by accident. So I can fix it and still trade it. I had a flat trade. I was able to get
McConnell
out
told Yellen on
really
Wednesday that
quickly.
Democrats will have to raise the debt ceiling on their own.
It's too bad I was up 2 ticks and getting out really quick. Got
10
me out
seconds.
flat. No one saw me type the wrong time. No one helped me. Thank you.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
83 billion, 83 billion. That's a build on the
Order
forecast
failed.
of 76 billion.
Well, this is the reason we don't trade natural gas. So that's why natural gas cannot be a family money trade, right? I have never seen, this is exactly what I was saying about a potential what natural gas after 2 months of trading normally, it should have been a move straight down. And it whipped so fast. I mean, I'm not in the market. It left an order up, but that order isn't there. And if I bring back my platform, so I think the answer is that we can't do it. As much as it still would be profitable, it would still be profitable. I think having that type of a result will make it just makes the trading. I think most people can't deal with that kind of a result. I can. I can take it if natural gas occasionally does that. Occasionally. TJ, why do you love this report? Why do you love this report? I mean, that is so chaotic. That's the most chaotic I think that I've ever seen natural gas. It's the most chaotic I've ever seen it. Now, any trading of this report, as I said, it is still not a family money trade. Now you have to really think whether or not it can be a trade, a valid trade, because
Fear and
of
Greed
what it
Index
did
at
today.
35 out of 100,
You have
indicating
to
fear.
really question
Crypto Fear and Greed
whether or
Index
not
at
you want to
53
trade
out
it.
of 100,
Now, if you were
indicating towards
trading
neutral.
multiple contracts, it's it can really hurt. It can really hurt. So the risk, the first thing I said when we got here is the risk that natural gas can place on an account. It can potentially do what it did today. And that's the first time